I really want to be brave and stick it in the middle somewhere.
Right there.
But stick it like right in the middle of it, because you won't hit the middle. Like if I stuck it right in that little cove right there.
Yeah, that's
But
pretty nasty right there.
like right down here. Right.
That Toyota
Right there.
where he kept his tire up on his high side here, his left one, and that right one.
So then it catches the underneath of it as it just goes up. But I ain't making that kind of money yet.
That'd be cool if you could leave it there.
I know. But I was just telling, I was like, I'm not making that kind of money just to let it get destroyed.
What you need to do is take you some kind of metal rod.
Yeah.
Set it back hole. In
Yeah.
there to
Stick
where
a hole
it
back.
can't get
Yeah.
gone.
That'd be really cool.
Yeah.
Hey, just as soon as you do that, he's gonna slide over and swam.
That's why I said dig a
At least
hole.
it's all dirty.
You got a knife? Anybody got a knife? We'll stick a hole in there. Oh, right here. Stick it right.
What y'all gonna do? Y'all better hurry up. Oh, we're gonna try to get some badass footage.
We're about to get you undercarriage.
I don't even know if I was supposed to.
No, you were over there on that.
I don't have enough meat on this to try that.
But it just jumped me right over. Yeah, we did it that day with the Toyota. The Toyota did it.
Yeah, the other day, Jenny had
You want to try that?
Oh, yeah, it's fine. If it breaks, it breaks. I'll still be able to retrieve it.
Justin, didn't you do something?
No, I've never been up there. Yeah, baby!
And we got it on camera.
That right there is going to be a good video.
It is.
Woo! Hey,
JK today, baby.
Woo! Hey, man.
Hey, he stuck that camera in a bank.
JK today.
Oh, I can't wait to see that. I bet that's